Hey guys, welcome back to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to install Homebrew on macOS. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. For installing Homebrew, you'll need an active internet connection and command, depending on your macOS version. Copy the command from the video description, and then open Terminal. Now, paste the command and press Enter key, enter your password, and then hit Enter. For installing Homebrew, command line tools is also required. Press Enter key to proceed. This process will take some time, so wait for that. And now, after the process is finished, you'll have your Homebrew installed. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.